Good morning, students. Chapter Graphical Representation. Subheading Ogive. Ogive. In the previous class, I already explained about ogive, and from an ogive, how to find the median, isn't it? Total frequency divided by 2. Listen, suppose this is the graph. Here the total frequency is 200. Then how to find the median? Just revise. Total frequency is 200 means take half of that 100. On the y-axis mark the point 100. From that 100 draw a horizontal line. That horizontal line will touch your ogive at a particular point. From that point draw a vertical line. Then the vertical line will touch the x-axis at a particular point. Count that point. That is the median. Median means middle score. Median means middle score. If n is odd, what's the formula? N plus 1 by 2th item. If n is even, n by 2th item. Now listen. What is the meaning of quartiles? Write the heading quartiles. 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 What's the meaning quartile? Quartile means divided by 4. Isn't it? 4 equal parts. That is the meaning quartile. Quadrilateral. What is the meaning quadrilateral? A closed figure having 4 sides. That is a quadrilateral. Understand? That means quartile means divided into 4 equal parts. Right. The first heading, lower quartile. Right. Lower quartile. Q1. Lower quartile Q1. Write the formula. If it is an ungrouped data or raw data, then what's the formula? Lower quartile Q1 is n by 4th item. In the case of median, n by 2. Here, quartile means divided by 4. Therefore, lower quartile Q1. Write the notation. Q1 is equal to n by 4th item or n plus 1 by 4th item. When we apply that n plus 1 by 4th item, if n is odd, we apply n plus 1 by 4th item. Understand? Now write the heading upper quartile. Upper quartile Q3. Q3. Upper quartile Q3. Write the formula. Q3 is equal to 3n by 4th item. 3n by 4th item. Here this is 3. Therefore 3n by 4th item or 3 into n plus 1 by 4th item. 3 into n plus 1 by 4th item. That is upper quartile. Actually, middle quartile is median. Middle quartile is known as median. Okay. Now listen. Write the next heading. Interquartile range. Interquartile range. Write the formula. Interquartile range is equal to Q3 minus Q1. Interquartile range is Q3 minus Q1. Then next heading, semi-interquartile range. Semi-interquartile range. Right. Q3 minus Q1 by 2. Semi means by 2. Semi-interquartile range is Q3 minus Q1 the whole divided by 2. Right, the first question. Find the lower quartile and upper quartile. Write the lower quartile and upper quartile of the following numbers. The following numbers. Write the numbers 9, 11, 15, 19, 17, 13, 7. Once again, 9, 11, 15, 19, 17, 13, 7. When we find the median, we know that first we arrange the numbers into ascending or descending order. Here you arrange the numbers into ascending order. 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, 19. Okay. Here can you say how many numbers are there? N is equal to 7, which is an odd number. Which is an odd number. Therefore, what is lower quartile formula if it is odd? N plus 1 by 4th item. N plus 1 by 4th item. That means N is 7. Observations are here. 7 plus 1 by 4th. That means 8 by 4. What is 8 by 4? Second term is the answer. Second term. Which is the second term here? 7, 9. 9 is the second term. Therefore, what is the lower quartile answer? 9 is the lower quartile answer. 9 is the answer. Understand? First you arrange the numbers into ascending order. Then the lower quartile Q1 is n plus 1 by 4th item. 7 plus 1 by 4th item is second term. That is 9. Then can you say what is Q3? Q3 upper quartile, if it is n is odd, 3 into n plus 1 by 4th item. 3 into 7 plus 1 by 4th item means after simplification you will get 6th term. The answer is not 6. 6th term is the answer. Count that 6th term. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, which is the 6th term. 17 is the 6th term. Therefore, the answer is 17. That is upper quartile. Suppose your question is interquartile range. Interquartile range. How can you find interquartile range? Q3 minus Q1. What is Q3 answer? 17. What is Q1 answer? 9. 17 minus 9 equal to 8. 17 minus 9 equal to 8. Write down the next question. From the following observation, find Q1, Q2, Q3. Find Q1, Q2, Q3. Here in this question, the numbers are in the ascending order. Directly the ascending order is given. How can you find Q1? Q1 is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 observation. That means even number of observation. N is equal to 6. Therefore, what is the formula? N by 4th item. Right, N by 4th item. Or you can write 2 more. 12, 14. Correct the question. You can write n is equal to 8. Write n is equal to 8. Therefore, 8 by 4th item. What is Q1 8 by 4th item? Second item. What is this the second term? 5 is the second term. Therefore, Q1 is equal to 5. Understand? Then Q2. What is the meaning? Q2. N by 2th item. Q2 means median. Median is Q2. Median is Q2. N by 2th means 8 by 2. Which is the 8 by 2? 4th item. Which is the 4th item? 1, 2, 3, 4. 8 is Q2. 8 is Q2. The answer is 8. Then Q3. Q3 means what is the formula? 3 into n by 4. 3 into n by 4. That is 3 into 8 by 4. 6th item. Which is the 6th item? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6th item is 10. Q3 is 10. Q3 is equal to 10. Suppose my question is, what is semi-interquartile range? Semi-interquartile range. Q3 minus Q1 by 2. What is your Q3? 10 minus Q1. Q1 is 5 by 2. 10 minus 5. 5 by 2 is 2.5. Right. 10 minus 5 by 2 is 2.5. Study this also. Mean, median and quartiles. Okay. Now take the graph book. Now take the graph book. Write down the question. Write down the question. The table below shows the distribution of the scores obtained by 120 shooters in a shooting competition. Using graph sheet, draw an ogive and estimate the quartiles. Estimate the quartiles. Copy the question. 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, etc. 90 to 100. Number of shooters are of 5, 9, 16, 22, 26, 18, 11, 6, 4, 3. 11, 6, 4, 3. Right. Listen the question. Use the ogive. Find the median and the interquartile range. We know that interquartile range means Q3 minus Q1. And one more part, the number of shooters who obtain more than 75% score. Okay. What are the columns? What are the columns? When you draw the ogive, we need CF column. Right, CF column. Here the total frequency is 120. Then write the CF column. The first 5 plus 9, 14, 14 plus 16, 30, etc. The last one is 120. Okay, do by yourself. Finished. Now write the plotting points. Plotting points. Can you say the plotting points? Upper limit and the cumulative frequency. 10, 5, 20, 14, 30, 30, etc. Now listen. Use the graph paper. Draw the x-axis and y-axis. X-axis and y-axis. X-axis we write the scores. 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 30 up to 100. Mark. Then here the cumulative frequency. Last one is 120. Therefore we can mark 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120. On the y-axis, take the scale 10, 20, 30, 40, etc. Then can you draw the figure? First plotting point is 10, 5. 10, 5. Second one is 20, 14, 30, 30. Okay. Plot the points. After plotting the points, using freehand curve, draw freehand curve, draw the ogive. Draw the ogive. Okay. Then here the first point is 10, 5. Then extend that to meet the x-axis. This is the curve. Then now listen. Now listen. First you can draw Q1. What is the meaning Q1? Q1 means n by 4th item. Right. N by 4th item. That means 120 by 4. What is 120 by 4? 30th item. Same procedure as median. 30th item. On 30th item here, mark the point 30. Then same way draw a horizontal line. That horizontal line will touches your ogive at a particular point. Then from that point draw the vertical line that will touches your x-axis at the point 30. Isn't it? I know it will take time. Therefore, first you listen the video. Watch the video. Then do by yourself. Watching the video and doing the problem, that is difficult in this case. Therefore, first you watch the video. Then draw the figure. Here, understand the first step. Upper limit along the x-axis and the cumulative frequency. The total frequency is 120. Therefore, take the interval 10, 20, 30, etc. The upper limit and the cumulative frequency. Then you will draw the ogive. Understand? Now, our question is Q1. What is Q1 means? Q1 means n by 4th item. 120 by 4 is 30. On the y-axis, mark 30. Then draw a horizontal line that will meet the ogive at a particular point. From that you draw the vertical line that will meet the point at the point 30. Therefore, the answer is also 30 here. Q1 is 30. Check the answer. Then what is Q2? What is the meaning Q2? Median. N by 2th item. N by 2th item. That means 120 by 2. What is 120 by 2? 60th item. 60th item. Same procedure. On the y-axis marks the point 60. From that draw a horizontal line. That line touches your ogive at a particular point A. From that point A, count. That point will meets the x-axis at the point 43, I think here. 43. Therefore, median Q2 means median is 43. Median is 43. Then the last one. What is the last one? Q3. What is the formula? Q3. 3 into n by 4th item. 3 into 120 by 4. That is 90th item. In all the cases, same procedure. Only you change the formula. Okay. Take the 90th position. Here this is the 90. 90 marking. Same procedure. From 90 draw a horizontal line. That will touches your ogive at a particular point. Then from that point, draw a vertical line. Here when you count that answer, you will get 56 or 57. 57. Okay. Q3 is 57. Now, what is interquartile range? Q3 minus Q1. Q3 answer is 57. Q1 answer is 30. Therefore, interquartile range is 27. Right. Interquartile range is 27. That is 1 mark. Then one more part in this question. What's the last part? Read the last part. The number of shooters who obtain more than 75%. Number of shooters who obtain more than 75% means this is the percentage. Number of shooters here. Therefore, in between 70 and 80, you can mark 75. On the x-axis, not on the y-axis, on the x-axis. For the last part or the question like that, you mark the points on the x-axis. On the x-axis, mark the point 75. From that 75, draw a vertical line first. In all the other cases, you draw the horizontal line first. But here, you draw the vertical line. The vertical line will touches your ogive at a particular point. From that point, draw the horizontal line. That will reach the point, I think here 109 is the answer. 109. Therefore, above means 120 minus 109. 10 minus 1. 11 is the answer. 11 is the answer. Okay. Before the next Zoom meeting, study this portion. If you have any doubt, ask on that meeting. Okay. Then I will explain one more time. Study well. Very important. This is 6-mark question from this section. First you draw histogram. That is also from section A. You can draw the histogram easily. Therefore, study that also. Now, ogive and mean, median and quartiles. Okay. And that sub questions also. Okay, bye.